So today I'll be showing you how to fix internet or network connectivity problems on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Now, different people might have different reasons for their network issues. So I'll be showing you a couple of things you can do, and maybe one of these will fix your problem. So if you're using Wi-Fi, the first thing you want to do is check if the Wi-Fi is actually working. So that means go on another device like a computer or a TV and check if internet is working on those devices. And if you're using the same Wi-Fi and it seems to be working on those devices, then the problem is your iPhone. Okay. So that takes us to the second thing you might want to try. And that thing is restarting your iPhone. Okay, so sometimes just a simple restart fixes a lot of problems, and internet connectivity could be one of those problems. So go ahead and restart your iPhone. Plenty of ways to restart it. Just choose the one that works for you best. Mine is to turn off, give it 10 to 15 seconds, and then long press the power button to turn it back on. And hopefully, when it turns back on, all network connectivity issues should be fixed. There you go. So just allow it to turn on. So once it restarts, just try to use the internet again and see what happens. So the other thing you can do is to turn Wi-Fi off and then back on in case you're having problems with actual Wi-Fi connectivity. So just try and turn it off and on, even though this normally gets fixed by restarting your iPhone. Now, the other thing you want to do is make sure you've connected to the correct Wi-Fi network, because sometimes your iPhone keeps switching Wi-Fi networks. And if you have more than one Wi-Fi network, you might have connected to the wrong one that doesn't have internet. Okay, so check that. Just go to your Wi-Fi settings and ensure that you're actually connected to the Wi-Fi network you intended to connect to. Now, the other thing you can do is check that you have the correct date and time. Now, this is especially for people who use manual time. If your date and time is wrong, then your internet won't work. Okay, so I'll go into settings. Let me just go to the main settings page. On the main settings page, go to general, tap on that, and then under general, go to date and time. And the safest thing you can do here is to enable set automatically. So if you have this off and you have the correct time, then the internet should work. But if you have this off and then you have the wrong date and the wrong time, that's the problem with your internet. So the easiest way to fix this is to set date and time automatically. Your phone will use GPS and internet to make sure you have the correct date and time, and internet should be working. So that's another thing you can do to try and fix the problem. Now, if you've done all that and you still have issues with your internet, then you can try and reset your network settings. Okay, so if you go into settings on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro, you go into settings, and then in the settings page, go to general, and then on general, scroll all the way down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that, and then tap on reset, and then you're going to get options for what you can reset. So what you want to do is tap on reset network settings. It's going to ask for your passcode, so enter the passcode. Now keep in mind that this is going to erase all your network settings. So all your Wi-Fi, all your saved Wi-Fi networks are going to be erased. All your mobile network settings are going to be redone, and even Bluetooth connections will be erased. So let's go ahead and turn this off, or rather reset the network settings. So tap on that, you'll see the Apple logo. Now it's not going to delete your data, your accounts, your photos and videos. All that is going to remain intact. We're only resetting the network settings. So just give it time. You'll see the Apple logo, and just allow the iPhone to reboot. After the reboot, enter your passcode and then try to use internet again. So that should be by now you should be able to have fixed the problem with internet connectivity on your iPhone 16. Now, in case you still have problems, especially when using mobile data, then it's important to contact your service provider and let them send you the correct settings for your internet. And they're going to guide you on how to set up your mobile data settings. Normally, for that, you go into settings, mobile service or cellular data, and then go to the SIM card that you want, and then tap on mobile data network, and then make sure all this stuff is set up correctly. You can verify with your service provider, maybe call them and then ask them for the correct settings here. Now, the other thing you can do is try and reset the settings for your internet. So you can tap on that and then reset, and that's going to put them back into default in case you or someone else tampered with the settings and it's causing you problems connecting to Wi-Fi to mobile data. Now, of course, after resetting your network settings, you'll have to connect to Wi-Fi again. So you just have to connect to any Wi-Fi network you want to afresh. So I'll just go to my Wi-Fi and connect afresh. Beg your pardon. So yeah, you should be good to go. So the last thing you can do, in case you've tried everything I've shown you and you've not been able to fix your network issues on your iPhone, is to do a soft reset. Now, a soft reset is not going to wipe away your data. It's just going to soft reset your iPhone. Basically, it's going to reset everything. It's going to clear the RAM. It's going to clear cache. It's going to do so many things, and just sort of soft reset your iPhone so that any issues that were there barring internet connectivity should be able to clear by a soft reset. Now, a soft reset is also administered when your iPhone is laggy or slow or it's hanging. You can also do that to fix that. So for this one, what you need to do is press the volume up, volume down, and then long press on the side button. So volume up, volume down, long press side button. Ignore the power screen and continue holding the side button. Just keep holding until the screen goes off, and then you see the Apple logo, and then you can let go. So just keep holding. There you go. There's the Apple logo. That is a soft reset. So it's going to boot back up, and all your information and data and accounts are going to be intact. This is not going to delete any of those, but it's going to offer a soft reset which will fix most problems on your iPhone, including internet or network connectivity problems. So at least one of these should fix your problem. Okay. Now in the comment section, you can leave any questions or comments. And if you're able to fix your problem, let us know which solution solved the problem. And also, if you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.